Are you looking for the perfect mechanical keyboard to elevate your gaming or work setup? In this video, we bring you the best mechanical keyboards 2025, a buying guide, featuring top picks that deliver speed, precision, and style. Whether you need a high-performance gaming keyboard or a versatile option for everyday use, we have got you covered. Each keyboard on this list offers unique features, from customizable switches to stunning RGB lighting and wireless connectivity. If you are ready to upgrade your typing experience, check out the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started with the video. At number 5, the Aula F99 wireless mechanical keyboard is a powerful and versatile choice for gaming, work, and everyday use. Featuring a 99-key compact design with a 96% layout, it saves desk space while keeping essential keys for productivity and gaming. This keyboard excels in connectivity, offering 3 modes: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired, allowing seamless switching between up to 5 devices. Whether you are working on a laptop, gaming on a PC, or using a tablet, the Aula F99 ensures a smooth experience. The Aula F99 also features a gasket-mounted structure with an extended silicone pad, enhancing stability and making keystrokes softer and quieter. 5 layers of sound-dampening material reduce noise, while PBT double-shot keycaps ensure durability without fading. Taking the 4th spot is the Logitech G413 SE full-size mechanical gaming keyboard, a premium choice for gamers who demand durability and precision. Designed with a sleek black brushed aluminum top case, this full-size keyboard combines a minimalist aesthetic with high-performance gaming features. It is equipped with tactile mechanical switches that provide a responsive and satisfying keystroke, ensuring quick and accurate inputs during intense gameplay. The PBT keycaps enhance durability, as they are resistant to heat and wear, making them perfect for long-term use. The Logitech G413 SE is built to last with a robust aluminum magnesium alloy top case that minimizes flex and enhances durability. For those looking for a more compact option, a tankless variant is also available. Next on our list is the Corsair K70 RGB Pro keyboard, a top-tier mechanical keyboard designed for serious gamers. Retaining the iconic elements of its award-winning predecessor, this keyboard features a durable aluminum frame, Cherry MX Speed RGB silver switches, and per-key RGB backlighting for a premium gaming experience. These switches provide lightning-fast response times with a 1.2mm actuation distance, making them ideal for competitive gameplay. Built to last, they are rated for an impressive 100 million keystrokes. Powered by Corsair Axon hyper-processing technology, the K70 RGB Pro processes and transmits inputs up to 8 times faster than standard gaming keyboards. At number 2, the Redragon K556 Pro gaming keyboard delivers a premium gaming experience with versatility and durability. Featuring a full 104-key layout, this keyboard is built with a solid aluminum frame and a brushed surface for a sleek, professional look. It offers a tri-mode connection, allowing users to switch seamlessly between USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0 to 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes for maximum flexibility across multiple devices. The Redragon K556 Pro stands out with its true hot swappable capability, supporting 99.8% of mechanical switches for easy customization. It comes equipped with quiet red linear switches that offer soft key travel, enhanced by a 3.5mm sound-absorbing foam for a crisp yet quiet typing experience. Taking the top spot is the Logitech G915 RGB mechanical keyboard, a premium wireless option designed for gamers who demand speed, precision, and style. Featuring Logitech's Lightspeed wireless technology, it delivers pro-grade performance with a lag-free experience and an impressive 30-hour battery life on a single charge. The ultra-thin yet durable aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame ensures a sleek and sturdy design, making it a standout addition to any gaming setup. Equipped with low-profile mechanical switches, the G915 offers the accuracy of a mechanical keyboard at half the height. Users can choose from GL Tactile, GL Linear, or GL Clicky switches to match their typing and gaming preferences. LightSync RGB technology allows for per-key customization with up to 16.8 million colors, easily managed through Logitech G Hub software.